Alright, here we have the problem of the week for Common Core Math 1, week number 1. If you take a look at this problem, I've already gone ahead and highlighted key parts, keywords, phrases, numbers that are important in solving this problem. So if you haven't done that already, make sure you go ahead and take care of that before we start solving the problem. So what I like to do in solving a problem like this, the first thing I want to do is I want to list out all the information from the problem into a nice organized list. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to say, okay, they bought each box and each box contains 60 candy bars. So each box has 60 bars in it. So that's 60 bars per box. Then each box is $40. So it costs them $40 per box. Okay? Now they want to make profit, that's what they want to earn, $20 per box. So every box they buy, they want to earn $20 as they sell it. So $20 is the profit they want to get. Okay, so now I said, okay, what is the thing that I don't know? What am I trying to figure out? And that's how much they want to charge for each candy. So I'm going to call that X. X is going to be equal to the price they charge. Okay, so now I have all the information I need to solve the problem, and it's written out here. I don't have to look back at the problem. It's all written here for me. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set up an equation to help me solve this. So when I look at this equation, I need to say, okay, I have 60 bars in a box, and I want to sell those for a certain amount. So I'm going to say 60x. That's how much I'm going to earn when I sell the whole box. If I sell the whole box, it's 60 times whatever price I sell it for. That needs to be equal to the amount we paid for the box, which is 40, plus the amount of profit I want to get, and I want to earn $20 of profit. Okay? So now I can go ahead and solve this problem. 60x equals 40 plus 20. Well, 40 plus 20, I can combine those and make 60. 60x equals 60. I need to earn $60 for each box, and that will cover the cost that I paid, which is 40, as well as the profit, 20. Now I have a simple one-step equation, so I just have to divide by 60 on both sides. These cancel, and I get x is equal to 1. Now let's make sure we answered the question. How much will it cost? Well, it would cost $1 per bar. Now let's just go back, make sure that this answer makes sense. Does it make sense that a booster club would sell a candy bar for $1? Yeah, that makes sense. If they charged way more, probably wouldn't make sense. So if you got like 50 for your answer, or if you even got something like 10 cents, you need to think about it and say, okay, does my answer make sense? And yes, $1 per bar makes sense.